Lucas Alexander Curry. Let me just tell you, if anyone's going to fall, this should be the guy to do it. He can handle it. When Lucas gets that twinkle in his eye, no one is quite safe. He's able to cut right to hidden moments of kooky irony in mundane situations. This gift stems not only from Lucas's social nature and his sense of the moment, but also from his tremendous linguistic talent. A clever and disciplined student across the board, his particular area of expertise is Spanish, in part the result of summers in Guatemala and Ecuador. His teachers have described his work as among the most impressive I've seen, quote unquote, and have referred to Lucas himself as el estudiante perfecto. The brains and tenacity that create Lucas's academic successes are the same qualities that have helped him blossom into one of the best athletes in school. He hits the big shot at the end of the game. He trains for and competes in Olympic-length triathlons. Even when he breaks a bone in his hand, he wraps the cast in foam and continues to throw touchdown-springing blocks. Lucas is there for those who need him, his teammates, his fellow seniors, and the sophomore boys who idolize him. Lightening the mood, lightening the load to take the weight off his own shoulders, and being plenty strong enough to bring it off, these are his special qualities. Congratulations to you. Casey.